Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can delete your Snapchat account. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So before getting started, make sure that you've already updated your Snapchat application to the latest version. And in case if you haven't updated, then all you need to do is head towards your device's Play Store, and then on the search box you need to type in Snapchat, and once you type in, next interface you'll be able to see open or update. In case if you have update, which means that the update is available and you need to update the application. After you're done updating your application, open up your Snapchat or logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, click on the Bitmoji in the top right corner of your screen. Next page you'll be directed to your profile page, and in the top right corner, click on the gear icon. As you click on the gear icon, you'll be directed to the settings interface. And on this interface, you'll be able to see a list of options. On this interface, you need to scroll down, and then you'll need to move towards the support section, and under it you'll be able to see a list of options. So from here you need to click on I need help. As you click on it, you'll be directed to the help center, and right on top there's a search box, so then you need to click on it. So as you click on it, a list of suggestions will appear. So what you'll need to do is right at the bottom you'll be able to see an option as delete my account. Click on it. Once again you'll redirect to support center, and on this interface there's a statement. In order to delete your account, you need to make sure to go through this statement and then slightly scroll down, and right in between you have an account portal as a link. Click on it. So before deleting your account, make sure to go through all of these information, and once you're sure about it, tap on password since you're deleting your account. So for the verification purpose, you need to provide your password associated with your Snapchat account. As you type in your password, you need to click on continue, and if you have provided the correct information, once again you'll need to confirm it by clicking on the confirm button, and once you do that, you have successfully deactivated your account. So in order to delete your account permanently, you'll have to wait for 30 days, and after 30 days of deactivation, your account will be deleted permanently. So meanwhile, if you change your mind, then you have to log within your 30 days, otherwise your account will be deleted permanently. So that is how you can delete your Snapchat account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below. Thank you for watching.